More and more homeowners are using the internet to search for plans and instructions on home improvement projects. But what that means is electronics are coming into the workshop where they can be exposed to dust and dirt. Now most of these have a touch screen, and so if you have glue or dirt on your hands, of course you're getting it on the electronics, and that's not good. So one solution is to get a large Ziploc bag such as this. This is a 1 gallon size, and you slip the iPad right in, and when you zip it tight, you'll keep out all dust and dirt. But the really cool thing is, even though it's in the plastic bag, you can still manipulate it. So you can search, in this case we're looking at these how-to photographs at DannyLipford.com. You're very welcome, Danny. Now, if you have a smartphone, the same idea will work, you just need a smaller bag. Zip it tight, and here's another additional tip. You put on a couple of binder clips, just clip them right onto the top of the bag. What that allows you to do is to hang the phone right over your workspace, and again, you can still manipulate it right through the plastic bag.